Pineapple on pizza? Yay or nay? The internet is split, celebrities are divided. Remember that concert where Harry Styles mouthed, "Never reading fan signs"? If you've ever wondered who in their right mind would chuck pineapple slices onto a pizza, well, it all started with Sam Panopoulos, a Greek immigrant in Canada who created the first Hawaiian pizza at his restaurant in the 1960s. What happened next sparked a global debate that rages on today. In this video, we're diving into everything pineapple, its role in history, its nutritional perks, and how this tropical fruit makes its way from sunny fields to your plate. Who knows? After watching this, even Harry Styles might change his mind. Let us dive into some of the most shocking and juicy moments from this tropical fruit's past. First stop, South America. Pineapples got their start between Brazil and Paraguay thousands of years ago. When Christopher Columbus stumbled upon pineapples on the island of Guadeloupe, he was so impressed that he brought them back to Europe. Fun fact: explorers thought they looked like pine cones and named them pineapples. By the 18th century, people were renting pineapples just to show off at parties. A single pineapple cost as much as £5,000 today. Fast forward to the late 19th century, when Hawaii took over as the pineapple capital of the world. John Kidwell started plantations, and James Dole revolutionized canning with machines that made pineapples affordable for everyone. His genius marketing turned pineapples into a household staple, cementing their place in history. Pineapples aren't just delicious, they're good for you. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, which helps your body stay strong against colds and flus. Pineapple is like your stomach's best friend, thanks to an enzyme called bromelain. This little helper makes digesting food a breeze and keeps your gut happy. Plus, there is a lot of fiber in pineapple. Your heart loves the potassium pineapple too. And let's not forget about the antioxidants in pineapple. They protect your cells from damage and keep you feeling fresh. But how does this refreshing fruit get into a can? The journey starts in sunny tropical regions where pineapples are grown. These fruits love warm climates, so places like Thailand, the Philippines, Indonesia, Costa Rica, and India are big pineapple producers. Farmers keep a close eye on the plants to make sure they're picked at the perfect time. Pineapples are hand-picked when they're fully ripe, ensuring they're super sweet and flavorful. Then they're rushed to the factory to stay fresh. At the factory, the pineapples go through a quality check. Workers and machines inspect each one for any bruises, overripeness, or spoilage. Only the best pineapples make the cut for canning. The fruit is sorted by size, ripeness, and type, ensuring that every can looks great and has the same texture. The workers wash the selected pineapples thoroughly to remove dirt, debris, and pesticide residues. They use large rotating brushes and jets of water, and some facilities apply food-safe cleaners for extra safety. To maintain high hygiene standards, the facility regularly sanitizes the washing area to ensure it meets strict safety guidelines. After washing, the pineapples move to the peeling and coring stage. In modern factories, specialized machines take over, quickly removing the tough outer skin, eyes, and core, leaving just the juicy fruit. In places that rely on manual labor, workers use sharp knives or special tools to carefully peel and core the pineapples. The aim is to reduce waste while ensuring the fruit is free from any inedible parts. Next, the peeled pineapples are sliced into the desired shapes and sizes based on the type of canned product. For pineapple rings, they cut the fruit into uniform slices. For pineapple chunks, they cut it into bite-sized pieces, And for pineapple tidbits, they chop it into smaller pieces for salads, pizzas, or desserts. Crushed pineapple is finely chopped or mashed. High-speed cutting machines with sharp blades ensure the pieces are uniform in size and shape. This precision is key to maintaining product quality and satisfying customers. Blanching plays a vital role in the canning process. The factory briefly heats the pineapple pieces in hot water or steam. This step helps preserve the pineapple's natural color and flavor, reduces harmful bacteria for better food safety, and stops enzymes that could lead to spoilage. The factory closely controls the time and temperature to avoid overcooking while ensuring the best results. After blanching, the pineapple pieces are quickly moved to sterilized cans. Automated filling machines take care of this step with great accuracy, ensuring each can gets the right amount of fruit. Depending on the product, the cans are filled with syrup, juice, or water. Syrup is usually made by dissolving sugar in water, with different levels of sweetness, light, medium, or heavy syrup. Pineapple juice, often made from fruits that aren't as visually perfect, is another common option. Some customers choose canned pineapple in natural juice or water for a healthier alternative. Once the cans are filled, automated machines seal them by tightly crimping the lids to create an airtight seal. This step is essential for keeping the product fresh and preventing contamination. Many modern factories use vacuum sealing to remove air from the cans before sealing. This helps extend the product's shelf life by reducing the chances of oxidation and the growth of harmful bacteria. The sealed cans go through sterilization or pasteurization to make sure the product is safe to eat. This involves heating the cans to high temperatures to eliminate any lingering bacteria, yeasts, or molds. The method used depends on the type of canning and the shelf life needed. A common technique is retort processing, where the cans are placed in a pressurized chamber and heated to temperatures between 116 and 121 degrees Celsius, 240 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This process not only sterilizes the product, but also helps prevent spoilage during storage. After sterilizing the cans, the next step is to cool them down quickly, so the cooking process stops and the pineapple stays fresh. They're cooled using water sprays or by dunking them in cold water. This also helps get the cans ready for the next step, labeling and packaging. Once they're cooled off, the cans are dried and sent to the labeling station, where they get tagged with important details like the brand name, product type, rings or chunks, net and drained weight, ingredients, nutritional info, and the manufacturing and expiration dates. To keep everything traceable, they also print batch codes or QR codes on the cans, just in case there's a need for recalls or quality checks. Throughout the whole process, quality control is always in motion. But before the pineapples are packed for shipping, they get one last inspection. The cans are checked for leaks, dents, or any weird shapes, and they also make sure the weight and volume are right. And yes, they even taste a few samples to make sure the flavor and texture meet the standards. Advanced factories also use high-tech X-rays or metal detectors to make sure nothing strange is in the cans. Once everything checks out, the cans are grouped together and packed into cartons or shrink-wrapped for transport. The packaging keeps the cans safe during shipping and provides helpful info for retailers and consumers, like the brand logo, product details, and handling instructions. Automated machines efficiently pack and stack the cartons, which are then stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. These conditions prevent any temperature changes that could mess with the pineapple's quality. From the warehouse, the canned pineapples are loaded into big trucks and make their way to wholesalers, retailers, and export destinations. Thanks to smart logistics, they arrive on time and in perfect condition. The final step in the journey is when you buy the canned pineapples, whether it's at the store or online. Once the canned pineapples make their way into homes, the possibilities for how they're used are endless. Let's take a look at how people around the world incorporate pineapple into their cuisines. For people in Thailand, it's a key ingredient in pineapple fried rice, where it's combined with shrimp or chicken, cashews, and rice to create a perfect balance of sweet and savory. Sometimes it's served right in the shell of a pineapple for that extra tropical flair. Filipinos enjoy pininyahang manok, a savory stew made with chicken, pineapple chunks, and coconut milk. The combination is rich, tangy, and comforting, making it a favorite in Filipino households. In Brazil, pineapple is grilled as part of the traditional churrasco barbecue. The Caribbean loves to incorporate pineapple into tropical salsas, which pair perfectly with grilled fish or jerk chicken. Pineapple is a fruit that brings something special to every cuisine it touches, whether in savory or sweet dishes. Now that you've learned all about the journey of pineapple from tropical fields to your plate, it's time to weigh in. Pineapple on pizza, yay or nay? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you.